heroes, this is Christian back in with another video just for all of you guys. This is video 5 of the 5 straight days of content for my YouTube channel. Today, like I was saying, we're going to be finishing up the interior of the Supra. So I have the finished carbon fiber piece that's going to be going on my new Alcantara and carbon steering wheel. And I also have these carbon fiber pieces that are going to be going over the plastic silver pieces that are inside of the Supra to finish up the car. I'll be going ahead and putting some of this double-sided tape on these carbon fiber pieces. I have this adhesion promoter that's going to be doing a good job of just helping to stick everything on with the double-sided tape, making sure it stays in the interior bay, doesn't get loose, and stays nice and firm. But overall, man, really excited for just these subtle things. I think these subtle things are just gonna bring the interior just to the next level. Nothing too major, nothing too expensive. Again, I really want to show you guys just some really cool products just to make your interiors and your cars that much more nice. And just be a little bit better and more just premium inside of the vehicle. Like I said, not too expensive, not too difficult. Gonna get into the video very shortly, but just want to show you guys exactly what I'm going to be doing. Anyway, let's get to the vehicle and get these installed. Alright heroes, just like I was saying in the last video, we went ahead and put the Alcantara and carbon fiber steering wheel in. We now have this carbon fiber piece and the other carbon fiber pieces we're going to be putting on with the adhesive. But we went and put all of the 3M double-sided tape on the piece, so that way everything is easy and ready for install. So I'm going to go ahead and get it prepped right here, get it installed, and show you guys the finished results. But man, really love how the interior is starting to look, and we're almost done with it, guys. Almost done. Woo! Went ahead and added the carbon fiber piece. Fits perfectly. Matches the bottom piece. This carbon matches this carbon, matches this carbon. All the carbons now match, so all of the pieces on the steering wheel now fit. Man, that steering wheel looks great. Like I said, I wanted to go with a nice, awesome piece, but something that was still a little bit OEM plus, but man, that looks so good. Man, really love how it's looking. Let's go ahead and finish the other pieces. It's going to be these silver pieces that you guys saw me kind of working with. Gonna just go ahead and cover these up with carbon just so it matches the interior. And man, then the interior is going to be fully done, guys. Oh man, so we got the pieces in, and wow, they just look so good, man. Like I said, I didn't want to have them fully cover everything. I still wanted a little bit of the plastic, but you can just see the carbon covers on these pieces. They fit pretty good. But man, just look at how this interior is now starting to look. Really love just everything about how this is, and now it is complete, y'all. Like, look at this car, man. This is such a clean interior now. Like I said, I love having the carbon here. I didn't want the red strip. I really just wanted it to be nice and clean, just nice and fantastic, man. We got the carbon paddles, carbon steering wheel, the Toyota logo, but just look at the interior, man. It really looks like a full-on sports car, but at the same time, such an awesome daily. You can come in here, you can feel comfortable. This is the launch edition, so it is signed launch edition with the red interior, red gadgets, carbon fiber pieces. If you want to come in from this side, we can get a better angle. It's this. Like, the car just comes a little bit more expensive now, and the interior is just so good, man. All these carbon pieces, everything about this car, I love this thing, man. Like, this is exactly the image that I had for the car. Got the carbon here, red here, the carbon shift knob for the automatic, the carbon dash right here, carbon screen, carbon behind the seats. Like, this is now just fully complete I think this interior just is perfect for my kind of taste. No, it's not for everybody, but I absolutely love how this car is looking and shaping up and just everything about it. Anyway, I didn't want to make the video too long. Just wanted to show you guys the final edition of this interior and how the car is looking. Absolutely love it now. And man, just so excited to get some more videos out there, but gonna definitely do a full mod list and walk around coming shortly to the channel of the car, a full build video of the car, and overall just much more stuff. But anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Didn't want to take too long. Just want to show you guys exactly everything that I've been doing. And now that the interior is done, if you guys like the video, hit the like button. You want to follow the journey, the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Everyone have a great day, y'all. Peace.